Well, hello friend, and welcome to another episode of the Holdfast Garage. As you can see, we've already loaded the beast. Still got to get her strapped down, get a shower, throw some things in a bag, and load up the dogs. And we will be on the road, headed back to Iowa for the July Jubilee Parade on the 11th.
Be there. Be there.
If you weren't already. So, join us as we cross country to drive in a parade.
All right, folks. Fueled up, loaded up. This guy's nice and close to this. Here we go. All right, folks. Well, first gas and go of the day. All is well. We checked the straps, walked the dogs. Now back at it. Well, folks, here we are back on the road. Last night, stayed at a hotel in Indianapolis, and it just so happened that a chapter of a car club called the Good Guys was staying at that same hotel. So we got to see some pretty cool cars last night. Was it a 1940 Oldsmobile?
Yes.
I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. Look at those hubcaps. It's an Oldsmobile. If you don't. I mean, a Kaiser. I didn't know Kaiser was a thing.
And
That's not a car company I'd ever heard of.
I think that was the 40s also, I'm not sure.
A couple of old Ford and Chevy Roadsters. Are definitely modified, heavily modified. What else did we see?
Javelin, it was
Oh yeah, the Javelin looked nice.
62 Chevy step-side pickup that had been modified.
Yeah. A Chevelle wagon. The, what was it, the Concourse?
Yes.
Trim package.
Sure.
Looked nice, looked real nice.
Yeah. Well, as nice as an ugly wagon can be. I mean,
Yes, indeed.
they were ugly cars.
There was
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it was a 57 Chevy, and you said
A 56.
A 56 Bel Air as well.
Yeah.
Just some really pretty cars. Now, kind of, I don't know. We were nerding out almost more so on their support vehicle.
Yes, indeed.
These are people that have way too much disposable income.
This is what we need.
This is, yes.
The support vehicle.
The same kind of car hauler that small independent NASCAR teams use to haul their vehicles to and from the races. Here, I'll just show you the video.
I believe you said there's 2 mechanics in it.
Ridiculous. Just ridiculous.
And spare parts and tools and
And
whatnot.
yeah, if you can't fix what's wrong, then you just pull it into the trailer.
Right to come over.
Take it home that way. So, just crazy.
You wanna come over?
I'm good.
If you guys were good where you are, if you need to go around the vehicle in front of you, over.
I'm good.
He says he's good right now.
So, westbound out of Indianapolis. Here we go. The final push back to Lake Mills and the parade.